Prime Minister Modi has lauded the forces once again. This time he was at the Bikaner Air Force Base, sending out a message to Pakistan that this base is intact and this is something as opposed to what Pakistan, remember, had suggested. He once again reiterated the doctrine, Ye Naya Bharat hai and Operation Sindoor is the new normal. Rahul Gandhi has taken a jibe with the Prime Minister, questioning why does his blood boil only when the cameras are rolling. Gandhi accused him of having compromised with India's prestige by agreeing to halting of military hostilities with Pakistan that had escalated earlier this month. Gandhi also questioned why the Prime Minister trusted Pakistan on terrorism and once again asked why did Modi, and I quote him, bow down before Trump for brokering a ceasefire with Pakistan. This is not the first time that Congress has launched an attack at the Prime Minister. Earlier, the party had hit out at the Prime Minister and raised questions over the operation. Some leaders call the Operation Sindoor outreach and diplomacy a PR stunt.
तीसरा, हम आतंक के आकाओं और आतंकी सरपरस्त सरकार को अलग अलग नहीं देखेंगे, उन्हें अलग अलग नहीं देखेंगे, उन्हें एक ही मानेंगे। पाकिस्तान का ये स्टेट और नॉन स्टेट एक्टर वाला खेल अब नहीं चलेगा। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने आतंकवाद से निपटने के 3 सूत्र तय कर दिए हैं। पहला, भारत पर आतंकी हमला हुआ तो करारा जवाब मिलेगा। समय हमारी सेनाएं तय करेगी, तरीका भी हमारी सेनाएं तय करेगी और शर्तें भी हमारी होगी। दूसरा, एटम बम की गीदड़ बप्तियों से भारत डरने वाला नहीं है
कि ये कांग्रेस की और कांग्रेस के एक वर्ग की मैं कहूँगा खास आदत है कि वो भारतीय सेना के ऊपर प्रश्न चिन्ह खड़ा करते हैं। इनके ऊपर सवाल खड़ा करना कि हमें सबूत चाहिए, ये पाकिस्तान की भाषा जो बोल रहे हैं राहुल गांधी, ये बार बार जनता के सामने जाहिर हो रहा है। आपको याद होगा वो पुराना किस्सा भी, जब 2008 के अंदर चाइना के अंदर इन्होंने कोई खास मुलाकात करी थी कांग्रेस पार्टी के रूप में, भारत के रिप्रेजेंटेशन में नहीं, कांग्रेस की रिप्रेजेंटेशन करते हुए। तो ऐसे अनेकों सवाल उठते हैं, ये किस देश के लिए खड़े हो रहे हैं।
मुझे दुख है, कांग्रेस पार्टी शायद इनर कंट्राडिक्शन में चल रहा, भरम में है। आज हम टेररिस्ट के खिलाफ लड़ रहे हैं, अंदर देश में जो उग्रवादी हैं उनका भी हम सफाया कर रहे हैं। राहुल गांधी आएंगे तो गांव की कहावत है, मूस मोटई है तो लोड होई है, होगा क्या?
Rahul Gandhi has been in opposition for 11 years and the frustration level has gone up to such a level he has lost his mental balance. So he speaks nonsense on issues which has nothing to do with facts. So the statement that Rahul Gandhi has made, it has been very clearly for anybody who has some sense, some intelligence, will know what EAM said and when EAM said this. It is there. Anybody wants to fact check, they can do that.
राहुल गांधी जिस पार्टी के अपने आप को मुखिया अनक्राउंड किंग बताते हैं, वो खुद ही भारत के नेटिव नहीं है, उनकी माताजी देश की नहीं है, तो इसलिए उनके अंदर विदेशी जो बातें हैं वो कागजों से देशभक्ति नहीं आ सकती।
कितना और सिस्टम इनका खत्म किया और उसके लिए खुश होने के बजाय ये लोग उसके लिए रोज उल्टे बयान दे रहे हैं। इनको कुछ लोग रहते हिंदुस्तान में हैं पर उनकी हमदर्दी पाकिस्तान से है। भाई ये किसी भी हालत में हिंदुस्तान को खुश नहीं होते देखना चाहते। ये देश की बुराई चाहते हैं, देश की बुराई करते हैं और बुराई करने के लिए दूसरे देशों का हौसला बढ़ाते हैं।
Prime Minister is giving hollow speeches, says the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, because of which several ministers and leaders within the Bharatiya Janata Party have gone after Rahul Gandhi, saying that this is sheer frustration of the Congress party that is speaking in the voice in the language of Pakistan. It's a war of words that has exploded after Operation Sindoor. This matter snowballing day by day, with a section of the Congress also talking about the fact that the outreach, the global outreach essentially, is a PR stunt. Apart from that, Rahul Gandhi has spoken about the fact that the Prime Minister his blood only boils essentially when the cameras are rolling. Gandhi accused him of having compromised with India's prestige by agreeing to halting of military hostilities against Pakistan. Piyush is getting in more details on that. Piyush, we see ministers of the government and leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, all of them in unison going after the Congress party. And the narrative that is getting built right now is that this is the principal opposition party and the leader of the opposition is speaking the language of Pakistan.
Well, that's right, Sneha. We have been talking to various union ministers, BJP leaders, and they all are speaking in one voice that there are many issues on which Rahul Gandhi can do politics, but he should not do politics on the issue of nationalism. He should be seen standing united, speaking in one voice as what the government is saying, because it is about national security. It is about nationalism. Remember that not only from BJP, we have also spoken to the ally partners of BJP in NDA, like Chirag Paswan, Ram Naidu. In fact, Chirag Paswan went on to say that Bihar elections are coming. You will have a lot of issues to do politics, but please don't do politics on this issue. Please standing united, as far as this entire issue is concerned. In fact, Chirag Paswan has gone to say, Sneha, that the kind of statements which Rahul Gandhi is making, these statements, these comments are being used in Pakistan. So this is certainly going to give a lot of boost to Pakistan's morale. And what Rahul Gandhi is doing is nothing but speaking the voice of Pakistan. That's what the various leaders from the government are saying. Though the Congress party continues to seek answers from the government, not only on the statement of S. Jaishankar, but also we have seen Sneha yesterday how Jairam Ramesh had gone on to say that this exercise of sending multiple party delegations to various countries is nothing but a PR exercise.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. That is a political controversy, which is only, in fact, further escalating between the BJP and the Congress, with the kind of comments that have been made by top leaders of the party, including the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha, and the BJP, of course, criticizing the Grand Old Party for the same.